Good evening, sir, and good evening, all of you present here. My name is Diksha Goraskar. I am from Badora. I have done my schooling from Excellence School, Batul. Currently, I study in JHPG College from Chhindwara University. My hobbies are singing, reading, and dancing. And I want to become a civil servant. So that's all about me. And today, I'm leading this GD. So our GD topic is school life versus college life. So uh, firstly, I want to share you something that as we all know that our first teacher is our mom. So because she teach us how to walk, how to eat, and how to behave with others. So she's our first teacher, and after that we go to school, and they are learn to how to write and how to speak speak with others and how to behave with them. So my first question is from Nikita Di. What do you mean, what according to you, what is the college life and school life?
Okay, thank you very much, Diksha. You are giving me this opportunity. So, school life is a one of the most important part in our life. It is we are learning. It's a basic principles in schools. Schools we how to behave, how to behave, how to react, and we are learning disciplines and so many things we are learn in a school life. And college life is something it's different in a school life. The school life it is also be a lots of enjoyment in a college life, and so, lots of enjoyment in a college and college. And one other point is also be because of it is a we are when go in a college life we are living. So that time we are mature, too much mature, and we know about our responsibility, and we are think about our future. So we are studying more. We are studying more. So this is college life, according to me.
Okay. So I want to know from Shada. So what is the importance of school and college for you?
Okay, so Diksha, thank you very much. Give me this opportunity. Gives a chance to, it gives to chance to children to acquire knowledge on various fields of education, such as like that many subjects in physics, maths, and political, economic, geography also. So it is very important part of our life, and college also life is one of the most remarkable and lovable time of individual life. College life, college life has a different experience, and a person needs to have this experience in their life. So it is important, it is also important to college life. So that is all about.
We all see that everyone say after your schooling, I mean after your 12th or 10th, your life will be more enjoying. You will get more freedom. So it is true, Nishadi. I want to know from this. Okay, Nikita, you can tell.
Yeah, it is all little bit true because of we are in at school, so we have no responsibility, and we are enjoyment, and only we are doing a study. But when we go in a college life, so there is so much. We have also responsibility. We are think about our future. We are serious about our future. So we are and some students they are do more struggle they are doing in a college life, because they are we are seeing it's a college. So they some students they are doing a part-time job also, and study also. So it is a difficult uh, than school life. It's a college life is difficult, according to me.
Like, okay. So this is the era of this is the era of skills. I mean, improving your skills, because in this world, if a person have skills, I mean, like communication skills and sports skills, so they can fast they can fast reach with their goals. So what is the role of college and schools uh, to improve our skills or our passion? I want to know from Sharda.
Okay, Diksha. Now, what is the you asked me? What is the role of school and college? I think
Yeah.
empowering our skill. So student empowerment is where student gain the authority and agency to make decision on their own and implement their change in school. So student empowerment, general includes learning to teaching and leadership in the classroom. So empower happens through student authorization and action upon gaining a sense of power. So I think it is empowering our skill and passion. Both are school and college.
So yeah, I mean, your opinion that school and college will help us in improving our skills also, है ना? Right. Okay. So now I'm coming to my next point. So my next point is that as we know that the COVID pandemic is running on, so all classes held on online. Like the small children to college student will are depend on online sources. So because they spend lots of time on screen. So what is the side effects of this thing? Nikita, please tell.
It's a COVID pandemic time, and it is all the classes are going on online. So it is also be a best also, because it's when this time and COVID pandemic time, and we students have mobiles also. They are attending class, but some students, they have no phone, so how can they attend class? But students also learning, their learning process means they are learn something, but when there is no online classes, so they didn't learn anything. But there is side effect is also be, because of many more students, they have no mobile phone, and they have recharge problem is also be, and they are too much, they are not attending properly classes, because of they are attending class, and sometime message and chatting, it is also be going on, and so it is bad effect, and it is their eyes problem, headache problem is also be. So this is.
Yeah, right. When we spend lots of time on screen, so we have some eye problem also. So and so what I learned in our schools, that we go school with we are our uniform. So and we learn them that every students are same. No one are rich, no one are poor. So it is a sign of our like we are safe. So what do you think about that? In some college, in that there is no uniform for students. So is it necessary in that colleges also? Nishadi?
Yeah, good evening, all of you, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm Nisha. So it is necessary to your work code and dress code, uniform code. It's very nice because of there no match up to upper class, lower class, and middle class. So it is a very means to decided school or university maybe dress code.
Yeah, right. Because it's sign of like we are same. Nikita, you want to say something?
yeah, it is also be a sign of a dress code equality, because we are seeing in schools pupils they are come in other backgrounds, so it's a dress code, so it is a very beneficial, because it's students their children they are learning and they think that we all are equal, our dress code is equal, because of so many students they are come on school in a different background, some poor, some middle class, and some high class, so high class, so if there is no dress code, so they their mind is also with something, they have problem, they feel we are not equal, but it is dress codes, so we are feel that we are all are equal, so really it's a dress code is very beneficial.
So what do you think, Shada?
Yeah, Diksha, ma'am. As like said that Nikita Di also I agree with her. So in a school dress code and uniform is made compulsory, but I think so that it is the sign of discipline, but in college it is not necessary, because college student are I think college student are not obey their lecturer, so they are come colorful dresses, and they are not in discipline, but in school it is a sign of discipline, so it is all about.
Okay. So I want to know from Nikita Di, what which life is better, school life or college life?
I think school
Please
life is
not.
better than, yeah, school life is better than college life, because we are lots of enjoyment, discipline, and we are learn so many things. It is a friend circle. We are see a friend, so our friend is also be a kind nature persons, and we are lots of enjoy. We don't think about our future, and we are just studying and playing, and yes, it is too much enjoyment comparison to college life.
Nishadi, which is your favorite life, college or school?
My favorite life, I most enjoy as a college life comparison to school life, because that time uh, I don't know what's happening and what's going on. I have not remember for more memories, so that's why college life is a better life and the best life for enjoyment, because there is no restriction and no more foundation for us. We are mature and we are think to what is the good, what's wrong, and we fully enjoy and fully means focusing our future maybe. And school life also better than college life. I never think that it is not better, but in my point of view, my life, so I assume that school life also better, because that time we have not more burden, we have not means think that what we want to become as a future, because we are all our children and we all are feel enjoyment, happiness, and that means play the game and role of ourselves to do.
So, Sharda, according to you, what is better, school life or college life?
Okay, my point of view is that I think school life is better, because school life there is no burden, and we all are enjoy, and we all are children, as told Nikit, yeah, Nishadi. So I agree with you. So school life is better than college life, because there is very enjoyable days, and very we are learning many skills, like that dancing, singing, and all other things, so school is better.
Okay. So, the both life, like school and college life, are very memorable and experience, because they have their own things like memories. so we can't trade for each other. So now, if we say about school life, so this phrase, we are never forget it, because if you talk a 90 years 90 years old person, that one also remember their school life, because it is very memorable phase of our life, and everyone always wants to go back in that phase also. And if you say, if I say about college life, so it is come with a more responsibility, because this is the time when you choose subject or your field for your future, and you have to think about that, what is your passion, and which field you want to go. So this is all about our GD. So nice talking to all of you.